Welcome to my honest review of the X-Vcak portable steam sauna. I got this sauna a month ago from Amazon and have used it about 10 times so far. The setup was super simple and took me about 20 minutes to complete. My first thought is this chair is way too small, and it was. I'm 6'1", 190 pounds, so I switched this out with a bigger chair that fits comfortably inside of it. It takes about 15 minutes to heat up and has a max temp of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, but I've never tested that with a thermometer. It does have a bunch of different settings and I always use the highest one. It gets hot and steamy, and I max out at about 25 minutes inside. I'd say this is much closer to a steam room than a sauna, but I still thoroughly enjoy it and look forward to it after my workouts. One note, do not touch the steaminator when you're inside the sauna unless you want to get burnt. I accidentally made that mistake. I put a link in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out on Amazon. Also, remember to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.